Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can turn on high contrast mode in Windows to make things easier to see. And here's how to do it. First, open your settings, search for themes and related settings from the search bar in the top. Now this will take you to this kind of interface where you need to go ahead and select the high contrast settings. Now toggle this option of turn on high contrast. The entire theme will be changed in your PC. And you can also go ahead and choose a theme like high contrast black, high contrast 1, 2, or high contrast white. And to turn off high contrast, use the same steps and simply toggle the switch off and you'll be done. Now the high contrast mode is off. This mode can help reduce eye strain and make text easier to read. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.